Do you want to know how you can link your socials in Zedge? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can link your social accounts in Zedge. Open the Zedge in your Chrome or Edge browser and then click on your profile. Now go to account settings and then you can see social accounts. Click on it and you can link your Facebook, Google or Apple ID from here. Let me unlink my account and let me show it to you how you can link it. Just click on the link button while you are logged in with your Facebook in this browser. And you can link with your socials this way. It's quite an easy step. All you need to do is go to your profile, which is on the right hand side, go to account settings, go to social accounts, and you can link your Facebook, Google or Apple ID from here. So this was a video on how you can link your socials in Zedge. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.